Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 3 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this watch. First let's open the app menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. And here we have it, and we can change a couple of things in this menu. First thing we can do, or we can change, is the layout of the menu. So if you press and hold on one of the icons, it should open the edit mode. And now we can scroll down, and at the bottom you will see the list view, and you can tap on it to change the menu to the list view. That's how it looks like. Or if you want to use it or bring it back to the grid menu, you open the edit menu again by pressing and holding on the icon, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will see the grid view. Another thing we can do is to remove the icons from the menu. So you can find the icon you want to remove, tap on the icon, then as you can see, by removing the icon from the app menu, you will delete the app from your watch. And you can tap on it, and the icon will be gone, but as well the application will be gone from your watch as well, so be aware of that. And you can also change the order of the icons. So let's say you want the I don't know, maybe Shazam icon, move to the top, somewhere here, you can drop it, and then if you press the Chrome button to exit the edit mode, it will stay here at the top. You can also do this through the phone application on your iPhone that is paired with your watch. So if we bring the iPhone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, and on the iPhone that is paired with our watch, we can open the watch application. Then we can scroll down and tap on app view, and here we have grid style or list view. Select the one you like and you can change it basically, and then you can tap on arrangement and you can change the arrangement of the apps by grabbing one and dropping it in the place you want it to be in. And once you're done, you can close the application, of course, and that's how you customize the app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.